This 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1720FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 20 feet 5 inches in length and features a Paragon interior, sleeps 4, LP detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, awning, spare tire kit, water heater, external shower, skylight, leveling jacks, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1720FB is 3,814 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.